What is that smell? That's just vile. I feel ill. What is that smell? That's just vile. I feel ill. I saw a tutorial where they used a dirty blender and I almost gagged. It's a gloopy, sticky, unforgivable mess. That's a truly offensive odor for a beauty product. I'm practically vibrating with how good this is going to be. This is what I call a wow factor. It's almost time. Your eyes are sparkling. The next step is my favorite part. The transformation begins. I am just in awe of your natural brow shape. The journey is fun, but the destination is going to be breathtaking.
Ow!
Oh! You look incredible. I live for this part. You are a vision. This is going to be epic. This color on you, it's unexpectedly perfect. Let's get this show on the road. Oh, wow, look at you. I'm so inspired. The shadow makes them pop. The final spritz of setting spray, the moment of completion. You look like you just stepped out of a magazine. I'm looking forward to adding that pop of color. I'm just floored. This is going to exceed your expectations. I know it. This lip liner defined your shape perfectly. The suspense is killing me. It's so much more than just makeup, it's a mood. The final brushstroke is always the most thrilling. You are absolutely luminous. This is the product that ties everything together. Will you look at that? We're building up to something truly special here. Oh, wow! Look at you! Okay, deep breath. It's just so satisfying to look at. 3, 2, 1, let's go! The potential here is just thrilling. This is why I do what I do. The journey is fun, but the destination is going to be breathtaking. Just perfect. The creative juices are flowing now. You are the definition of radiant. The anticipation is the best part, isn't it? You have the most amazing bone structure. The suspense is killing me. Flawless. The journey is fun, but the destination is going to be breathtaking. This is pure elegance. Let's make some magic happen. Incredible! The suspense is killing me. Your confidence has shot up. I can feel it. Just wait until you see what this primer does. You have the most amazing bone structure. It's like unwrapping a present. I can't wait to see what's inside. This is why I do what I do. The best is yet to come, I assure you. You are the definition of radiant. The texture of this eyeshadow is incredible. I can't wait for you to feel it. I love it! The texture of this eyeshadow is incredible. I can't wait for you to feel it. I can feel it. Open your eyes. This glitter is about to change the game. The possibilities with your features are endless. Yes! The possibilities with your features are endless. Just thinking about the final photo gives me goosebumps. Just wait until you see what this primer does. 3, 2, 1, let's go! I'm anticipating a flawless finish. You make this makeup look like a second skin. I'm so inspired. 3, 2, 1, let's go! The finish is like polished silk. Okay, deep breath. Look at the camera for me. Yep, absolutely captivating. The structure is there. Now for the color. A truly stunning result. Absolutely, positively stunning. This is going to photograph so beautifully. It's so soft and romantic. This is going to photograph so beautifully. Almost there. I did not expect this eyeshadow to pop like that. The best is yet to come, I assure you. It has this beautiful, almost iridescent finish. You have amazing skin to begin with, but this is just otherworldly. You have the most beautiful canvas to work on. This is the moment of truth, applying the lashes. I'm so pleasantly surprised by how this shade complements your undertones. The glow is real! I'm eagerly awaiting the moment I can hand you the mirror. This is what I call a wow factor. I think this might be one of my favorite looks ever, and we're not even done. It's a dream! The final spritz of setting spray, the moment of completion. This is why I love my job. My hands are literally tingling with excitement. Open your eyes. I'm trembling with anticipation. Okay, your skin is just drinking up this foundation. Oh, this is going to be good. You are absolutely luminous. I am buzzing with ideas for this look. It has this beautiful, almost iridescent finish. Let's do this! This has exceeded all my expectations. It's like unwrapping a present. I can't wait to see what's inside. It's like they're HD. The foundation is set for greatness. Your eyes are incredible. The vision is clear in my mind. Just need to execute. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Let's do this! I'm so excited for you to see this. This is the product that ties everything together. It's just so pretty, I could cry. Get ready. I love it. Just wait. Okay, your skin is just drinking up this foundation. This is the product that ties everything together. Honestly, I'm a little speechless. The final brushstroke is always the most thrilling. It's a dream. I need to see this lip on you now. So real. Oh, this is going to be good. The finish is like polished silk. The best is yet to come, I assure you. It's a masterpiece. I'm envisioning the compliments you're going to get. It's just chef's kiss. This is the moment of truth, applying the lashes. I'm so happy right now. This is artistry coming to life. Just wait.